and they're checking my vitals right now. So the doctor will be in shortly. All right, guys, it's that time. I'm heading into surgery. I'm heading into the surgical center where I'm going to do my pre-op for surgery today. Just wanted to come on and give y'all a heads up, let you guys know what's going on, and just starting this documentation. I'll see you guys later. I'm walking into the surgical center here in Fairfax, Virginia, and I'm not even gonna lie, this feels real now. I've been thinking about this moment for a long time, dealing with the pain, pushing through workouts, adjusting my life around my feet, and today is the day I finally do something about it. I'm having a procedure called Lapiplasty, and I've had a mix of emotions leading up to this. Nervous, a little anxious, but also relieved and honestly hopeful. Because it's not just about fixing a bunion, it's about getting my mobility back, getting stronger, continuing this journey to fitness without pain holding me back. If you've ever dealt with foot pain or wondered if surgery is worth it, just know you're not alone. This is me choosing myself, my health, and my future, and I'm bringing you with me every step of the way. So Lapiplasty, it's a type of bunion surgery that corrects the root of the problem by realigning the bone in 3 dimensions, not just shaving the bump off. I'm just trying to stay calm, stay grounded, and just trusting the process. Oh. So they've got me set up on, I guess, with an IV needle so that they can do the medication. And they're checking my vitals right now. So the doctor will be in shortly, and the anesthesiologist to give me a rundown. And I will see you guys after the surgery, God willing. They really didn't want us taking any pictures or recording in the surgical center, so we snapped a couple of pictures here for you. This is after surgery. And now I'm leaving the center, getting ready to go home on my long journey, which is a few hours away. But nonetheless, I'm feeling good. Guys, I'm in the car on the way home. It's like a 2-hour and 20-minute drive. So God willing, it will go quickly so I can get home, get in my own bed. So far so good, but that's because I still got the nerve block. But as soon as I start to feel pain, they said take the medication, and listen, I plan to, okay? So I got nothing to prove, so I will. All right, well, I'll keep you guys posted. Until next time. Oh, and here's my foot. I'm in the back seat of the car with my blanket and my pillow. But that's what my foot's looking like right now. Alrighty, talk to y'all later. Just made it home. Trying out my scooter. My leg is still numb, so I gotta keep an eye on it that it doesn't fall off because I may not feel it if it did. This is where I'll be resting and recouping for the next couple of days. Oh, and this leg pillow, this came in clutch. I definitely will be creating a video with the must-haves if you're gonna have this type of surgery. Ooh. This is where I'll be staying for a little bit. And maybe doing my workouts. I'm gonna rest up now. This is day 1. Drink a lot of fluids, get something to eat later if I'm up to it, and just get some rest. I'll see you guys soon.